Hello and welcome to INSTEP, your learning solution partner. This video intends to assist you with the direction to your training venues and the locations for parking when you are at INSTEP. First, you need to register at the security post. To go to electrical workshop, you may follow this direction. From security post, go straight for about 100 meters. At the roundabout, take the 4th exit. From the roundabout, go straight for 100 meters. At the first junction, go straight. In 100 meters, the parking area shall be on your right side. Once you're done parking your vehicle, the electrical workshop shall be here. We hope that this video has been beneficial for you. Should you need further assistance, please contact your event maestro as per joining instruction email. Thank you for watching.